Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
At t equals t sub 1, just before the collision, the clay is moving, so the clay sphere system has non-zero linear momentum. Is momentarily at rest, so its linear momentum is 0. Therefore, the linear momentum is not the same at the two times. Mechanical energy is also not the same. During the collision, the clay sticks to the sphere, so the collision is perfectly inelastic, and some mechanical energy is transformed into internal energy. Thus, the system's mechanical energy immediately after the collision is less than it was at t equals t sub 1. Although mechanical energy is conserved during the swing upward after the collision, it is not the same between t equals t sub 1. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.